Let me show you how to use the snap fasteners. A complete set has 4 pieces in total. These 2 with the center posts go on the bottom of the leather, and these 2 go on top. Take the 2 center post pieces and pass them through the holes on the bottom of these 2 leather pieces. The remaining 2 can be placed on either side, but pay attention to the direction. The one on the left needs the larger opening facing up, and the one on the right needs the smaller opening facing up. Next, grab your setting base. The piece with the solid bottom needs to be set on the smooth side of the base. While the hollow bottom piece goes on the side with the pointed bump. Let's start with the hollow bottom piece. Snap it onto the pointed bump of the base, and then place the top piece over it. Take out the setting tool. We only need this one piece here. Press the pointed tip against the hole in the center post. And tap it tightly with the wooden hammer. And just like that, this half is installed. Now, switch the base to the other side to install the remaining half. Again, press the pointed tip against the center post hole and tap it tightly with the hammer. Now the other half is done too. You can snap the 2 sides together to test it out. If you're not sure which way the top pieces should face, you can snap them together first before installing. The side that snaps together successfully should be facing up.